Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You're watching Life with Raja Herrera. Hope you're doing well and great time with your friends and family. So guys, today we are going to unbox our new microphone, which is Boya BYV20. So here we go for the first look. Today we are going to unbox and review it. Also we will test it. Let's go and unbox it. So here we go guys, let's go and unbox it. Before unboxing it, I will tell you, so this is Boya Ultra Compact 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system, which comes with USB port and also with the iPhone if you are an iPhone user. So basically this one is the special feature, which is you have separate noise reduction button as well. Before unboxing it, I will tell you this the specifications of this product. So basically it's got 9-hour running time if you are using it, and USB type C charging port as well. And yeah, the good thing is this thing, if you can connect it with your phone, you can charge your phone as well. So also this microphone mute control as well, 360 rotating back clip as well, highlight performance noise reduction as well, and there's any more things as well. So it comes with 2 years warranty as well. So guys, let's open it. It's quite small as you can see. So here we go. We got 2 charging leads, and anything else, yeah, this one is only anyway. So this one is a warranty card. If anything happens, you can just fill it and send it to them. And this one is obviously a user manual, which is in Chinese as well, and obviously it will be in English as well. Yeah, here we go. And anyway, let's put it on the side. And this one is, as you can see, USB to type C. We got 2 of them, and also there is nothing else in the box. So here we go. So this is the thing, you have to put it in your phone, and also if you want to charge your phone as well, you can charge it as well. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Let's take it out, the sticker. Here we go. And as you can see, there's nice shiny, and it's written Boya on it. Anyway, just put it on the side for now. And here we go. This is the microphone. Basically this is the microphone. As you can see, there's a blue button. It means this is the noise reduction button. If you press it, if you are recording in the very noisy area, so you can press it, and obviously it works. And this one is a power button obviously, and this one I think is for the charging. Yeah, and yeah, we will take the sticker off, peel it off nicely and gently. Here we go. I love Boya anyway, and as you can see, it looks really nice, shiny. And this one is a clip, which is 360 rotating. You can adjust it any way you want to clip it on it. So there's another one if you have any other one. So here we go. Looks really nice. So now this is what we got in a box, and this is a very nice small one. Even it's smaller than my finger. So for now I didn't connect any microphone with me, but now I'm going to connect my Boya microphone with the phone, and let's see the result. Anyway, you have to before connecting it, I will put this one on. So you have to press it a little bit. As you can see, it's a red and blue light blinking on, and yeah. So yeah, this one is connected. As you can see, it's still blinking red and blue. When I connect this one with my phone, it turns blue. So let's see. So yeah guys, as you can see, it turns blue. My phone connector I connect with the phone, it turns blue, and this one is blue as well. So now the microphone is connected, and you can see the difference as well. There's no need to turn on the Bluetooth and anything, and we can test the range as well. So yeah, I'm quite far from the camera, and you can tell me I don't know how's it. I will check it out, and you can check the difference as well. Pretty good, to be honest. And if I will try to connect the other one as well. So yeah, I don't know how it will work, to be honest. So yeah, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So if I can go back a little bit, as you can see, hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So yeah, so if I were to turn it off, yeah, so for now only one microphone is connected. I don't know if I will play any other music on the back side, so we can see the noise reduction as well. So yeah guys, for now there is no noise reduction connected. Didn't turn on the noise reduction, but I will play any other video on the background. So yeah, the video is playing on the background, and you can see the difference as well. But if I will press this button on the blue one, that one, you have to press once, and let's see again. So yeah, I think that's now connected now. I'm not pretty sure if it's connected or not. I'm not pretty sure. Yeah, if this one is connected, noise reduction, the light green should be green now. As you can see, before it was blue. So guys, I played the music on the back, and as you can see, the light is blue. If there is no noise reduction, turns on. When you turn on the noise reduction, it should be like that. As you can see, I have to press once. Yeah, if you press it once, it will be green, and now the video is still playing on the back, and you can see the difference as well. And if I press it, if I turn it off, I need to press it once again, and yeah, now it turns blue and the noise reduction is off. So you can feel the difference. I will turn it on again one more time. You have to press it once and it turns green, as you can see, and the video is still playing. As you can see, it's very close, and you can see the difference. So here we go. I will turn off the video now, and I've turned off the noise reduction as well, and you can see the difference between them. And I think it's pretty good, to be honest. As a price, it's like £40, I think, from Amazon. It's about £40. So yeah, in this price, I think it's pretty good. And also, if you want to download the app, you can download it from here. I will show you in the video as well. If you want to record the video, you can also you just scan this one, and you can download it from App Store, Play Store. So basically, once you downloaded it, you have option to record a voice recording as well, and if you want to record a video, you can also do the video recording as well. I will show you the details. I will start the screen recording because I have already downloaded the app, so I will show you how it really works. Yeah. Anyway, this app includes a voice recorder, and if you want to record a video as well in this app, you can do it. If I can show you, if you open the app, so it looks like that. If you want to record a video, you can do it like from here as a button below, and if you want to do a video recording, you can go over there, press, and yeah, if you want to record a video, here you can see just press a video, and if you want to take a photo as well, you can take a photo. And yeah, if you press on the screen, you can adjust the, as you can see, you can adjust the light level, brightness, and also the mic. So you have a timer, flashlight, and anyway you have a lot of filters here. If you want to use it, it's really good. If you want to do the whitening or anything with beauty face, you can do it as well. So yeah, and here we go for the setting. So you can record in this time frame, resolution you can set it up to 4K, and by default it's set by 1080p, and of course the frame rate is 30 and 25 as well. You can select the format as well, anti-shake and everything. You can set the sound. You can do like, if you want to do sound effects as well, as you can see. It's same as if you go on a voice recorder. You can see here as a setting on the top, you see there's a lot of options if you want to set it. So yeah guys, it's really pretty good. So yeah guys, this is the unboxing and review of our Boya BY V20. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, and we will see you another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.